So what do you do when there's like too many boxes in the room? Then son, you'll have to do another part of a unboxing video. So, what's up, Epicubers? So, welcome to my channel. And did you know that was a prop? And props go like this. And I got these two brand new Rubik's Cubes over here. One is the GAN 356X and the other one is the Vault 4M. So, probably gonna do a review and an unboxing sometime very soon. So, definitely look forward to that. And anyways, I'm the Epicuber and welcome to my channel. And in my channel, I do a bunch of Rubik's Cube related content as well as some fun stuff. For example, today's unboxing. So I got a bunch of stuff behind me. So why don't we get started? And first of all, this. And this is one of those lenses that I've been looking very forward towards to use, since this is a f1.8 lens, and you guys will know that this has a really low aperture and it's really good in low light, since you get way more light compared to my f4, which is, you know, pretty bad. Especially you can see in the competition over at Vancouver Open, you can see that there's tons of dark spaces and there's definitely a lot of noise, since I had to crank it up all the way to 800, which pretty much makes it kind of bad. But that being said, we have this lens now, so why don't I unbox it? Awkwardness. You know what? I probably should have used a knife. And just before I take out the lens, I have to say this is a second-hand lens. You know, I'm kind of poor. You see, I don't have $10,000 to spend on lenses, so I need to like save some money, you know? These are pretty crazy. Like, they retail this one in particular, the Sigma f1.8 lens. Bros, this is not good. RIP lens! You see this? You probably can see it. This lens has been bashed in to this. Look at this side, okay? You can see there's like literally glass shards. You can hear that, right? That is the sound of broken glass. It sucks, okay? Especially, I shouldn't have bought it second-handed from another continent. Well, at least I have to try, you know? Maybe I might get to like fix it or not. I'm not even sure. Well, that being said, yeah. I guess I'll try my best to figure out what happened, and you know, if I get my refund and my lens back, that'll be great. But you know, nothing's really guaranteed, and I'm not expecting to like get my money back, which is, to be honest, really sad. Okay, just stop for a moment, okay? That's gonna take me at least a couple weeks or even up to, you know, months to resolve this shipping issue. So I think it's a little bit more wise for me to unbox all the stuff so I can at least move on. So maybe after I unbox all the stuff behind me, I might feel slightly better, you know? Just maybe. Okay, here's another lens, and again, it was shipped all the way in the same lane, so I'm hoping it's not broken. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it seems like there's no signs of damage to me. No scraping. Okay, sounds right. The focus ring's a little bit loose, but that's pretty much all of it. And now the moment of reveal, so let's look at the back. So is the back good? seems good. It's secondhand again, so it's not exactly new, but everything else is pretty good, you can see. Now, the moment of truth. Is it shattered inside? Is there cracks inside? You know, there might be. Okay, let's have a look, and 3, 2, 1, go! Boom! Bro, it's perfect. Nothing was broken. And yes, Epic this $150 lens I'm totally not gonna use works! Yay! No, it's sad. You know what? Let's get back on unboxing all this stuff, okay? These. What are these? Question mark, question mark, question mark. So let's open it up and figure it out. So these are actually adapting rings. I bought a 82mm ND filter, so I need to have some adapting rings to get it to work with other sizes. So now I got an ND filter on this, which is really good. And now, let's move on to something that's more interesting, and they're called batteries. And these batteries are actually for this mic, since the batteries and the charger I own are absolutely garbage. They're like the worst kind of garbage you can ever get. So, really happy that I got more quality batteries over here. So, let me just open it with my handy unboxed, no, survival knife, whatever. You can see this is USB charged, so it's pretty convenient since I got tons of these. So as you can see, I got actually 5 over here. Hey, there we go. We got Nina over here, so she is a lifesaver. She has more experience with like broken lenses and stuff, as well as like shipping stuff. So definitely really appreciate this. Yeah, we made a complaint video about that, so that's really nice. So hopefully I'll get my $600 or somewhere like around $400 because like she said she got like around 60% of it back, so hopefully it does happen. We're gonna like email them this video and hopefully they might do something about it. So anyways, let's move on to our next object we're gonna do. It's a mouse pad. Wait, how did I get this mouse pad in the first place? It's probably from the keyboard, you know, this gigantic, handsome, big and awesome keyboard. This is for the fun of it. We're just gonna replace my regular mouse pad with this one. A new mouse pad. Not that bad. So now let's add on our new keyboard. And let's hope that this keyboard isn't like in half after that airline decided to slam dunk our luggage into their basketball hoop. What is going on? There's another mouse pad. How many mouse pads are they gonna give me? Now I need to give mouse pads to people. You can have a mouse pad if you want one. Oh, there goes all the rings. Okay, so unboxing time. This is quite hard, actually. Whoa, here we go. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, moment of truth. Is it broken or not? I don't know. That was kind of anticlimactic. And let's see if it's broken or not right now. Looks good to me. Well, it seems like it's probably fine. The keyboard looks really nice. There's like a volume rocker, dedicated like keyboard macros, and all the keycaps were really nice. It's like really solid, so no flex or anything like catch at all. And you also have this back part to put stuff in it, but I'm probably not gonna put stuff in it. And it feels really sturdy, like the Velcro is good, and it looks really nice in my whole setup. You can see my whole room is in shambles right now. Just look at it. Also, I have this mouse over here, so this mouse is actually garbage. Like when I right click, sometimes it doesn't click at all, which is really annoying. So hopefully this mouse isn't as potato as the one I just used. Overall, I feel like the mouse is pretty good. However, the wick is kind of light and makes it feel like it's kind of cheap, and the plastics a little bit on the cheap side. However, it's pretty sturdy. You know what? I think your mouse cannot do this. So it has a horizontal scroll wheel. In addition, it has 2 extra buttons, and you also can change DPI as well as reset, which kind of screws up your whole mouse. So I'd like to also mention that this mouse is rechargeable. I got like a micro USB cable in here, so definitely really cool. And I bet you don't have one of these rechargeable mouse, right? Gotcha. So now with my new mouse and keyboard, I'm going to be able to like edit my videos faster and more efficiently, especially this mouse, which is cancerous. Hey guys, I got great news for you guys. My $600 lens, the Sigma f1.8 lens, works. And as you can see, there's a nice bokeh behind me, so it means it's kind of blurry behind me, and that is really nice. My regular kit lens doesn't, do this. So what happened was, I think on the top, the UV filter kind of broke, and I freaked out, and when I was cleaning it, I realized that the lens wasn't broken on it, so that's really good. However, there's a slight issue. The UV filter was bent terribly, so now it's stuck on the lens. So I'm currently trying to get a lens wrench, so hopefully that will like actually help me to get rid of this like UV filter on it, which is pretty damaged and ugly. And if you like this epic and emotional video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on all the content I upload. And this is the Epic Cuber, and see you, Epic Cubers.